course he's gonna yell at you too. Bro, I'm whispering. I'm just saying it's really messed up that he's...
Hello.
Yo, dude, how was the throw this teacher? Don't be stupid. He's clearly upset. Why would you throw something at him if he's gonna... If you don't stop talking... Okay, teacher, calm down. Let's take a deep breath. Remember what the principal said, okay? All I want is for 5 minutes of your attention, but no! All I want is constant disrespect. Well, now you're gonna get the same thing from me. You won't stop talking during my class,